Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off the two-factor authentication on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, we have the traders, lenders, about more. We have the sign out button and the return to platform. And also we have the start trading in the very middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn on and off two-factor authentication on Bitfinex. So first of all, to turn it on, log into your Bitfinex account, navigate to the security section. So basically click on start trading. And here you have the security section, as you can see in it at the moment. Then select two-factor authentication, choose your preferred two-factor authenticator method, scan the QR code provided using the Authenticator app to enter the setup key manually, enter the generated token, confirm your email to finalize the process. When you want to turn it off, log in again to your account, go to security section in your account settings, select the two-factor authentication, click on the option to disable two-factor authentication, enter the current token from your Authenticator app to confirm the action, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!